Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel. Air shows the property of nitrogen, oxygen, both A and B, none of these. The components of water can be separated by physical methods, chemical methods, both A and B, they can't be separated. Mixture can be homogeneous, heterogeneous, both A and B, a pure substance. Brass is a compound, element, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. In sugar solution, a sugar is a solute, water is solvent. Sugar is solvent, water is solute. Both are solutes, both are solvents. Brass is a solution of molten copper in solid zinc, molten zinc, gaseous zinc, molten tin. 24 carat of diamond is equal to 200 milligram, 200 gram, 95% milligram, 91% gold. 1 carat of diamond is equal to 200 milligram, 200 gram, 100 milligram, 100 gram. Diamond is lustrous because it is colorless, it is hard, it is pure, its refractive index is high. If we burn graphite, residue will be left, no residue will be left, it will not burn, it will change into diamond. Nanometer is used for measuring micro distance, macro distance, both A and B, none of these. Barometer measures pressure, atmospheric pressure, wind velocity, gaseous pressure. Thermometer is an instrument that measures dash of substance, temperature, heat, radiation, flow energy. Anemometer measures amount of hemoglobin in blood, pollination of plant by wind, wind resistance, wind speed. Tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. This solution is made by dissolving iodine in potassium iodide, Vaseline, water, alcohol. Which of the following is not a physical change? Melting of iron metal, rusting of iron, bending of an iron rod, drying a wire of iron metal. Which of the following methods would you use to separate cream from milk? Fractional distillation, distillation, centrifugation, filtration. Which of the following is a compound? Stainless steel, bronze, graphite, hydrogen sulfide. The process used to separate oil and water is distillation, sublimation, separating funnel, chromatography. In which of the following the constituents are present in any ratio? The mixture, compound, solution, colloid. Purity of a solid substance can be checked by its boiling point, melting point, solubility in water, solubility in alcohol. Salt can be obtained from seawater by filtration, decantation, evaporation, sublimation. A sample contains two substances and has uniform properties. The sample is a compound, a heterogeneous mixture, an element, a homogeneous mixture. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous substance? Bottled water, table salt, pieces of copper, candle. Which of the following is an example of homogeneous substance? Granite, copper sulfate, M&M candy, muddy water. One common method used to separate dyes is filtration, distillation, chromatography, conductivity. Distillation is a good separation technique for solids, liquids, solid alloys, gases. Solubility is a good separation technique for pure metals, noble gases, different salts, metallic alloys. Solids are dispersed in liquids called diffusion, dissolution, collusion, suspension. Mixture of water and milk shows dash effect, solubility, diffusion, Tyndall, brightening. Dash solutions can be separated depending upon their densities. Miscible solution, water, immiscible solution, colloidal. Crystallization method is used to purify liquids, gas, solid, miscible liquids. What is the name of the metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature? Sodium, potassium, bromine, mercury. Do comment your score. Share this video to your class and school fellows. Share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.